morning. My name is Joe Cashwell with Rotorcraft RC. It definitely seems like the last couple months we've done nothing but cases with acrylics. This one has acrylics. So when our customer requested 3 speed helicopters in the upper, we knew this was going to be tough. We got a front-on picture of a Goblin Speed. That fit really nice. Then we got the hind slit and his number 2 Diablo Speed. Looking at these from the front, looks like there's a lot of room, but when you realize that the acrylic has an overlay and then a gap for the LEDs to lay in, everything is really tight in the back of it. But it came out spectacular and we're really happy with it. A couple other challenges that the customer gave us. Well, this one isn't a challenge. That's just main power. We do that in some of our commercial cases. He wanted a switch for this XT60 for a fan. He wanted the fans to be switched. He wanted the USB to be switched. And then the LEDs in the upper to be switched. It has 48 volt DC mooch jacks. And they mooch this little guy. So this has the iCharger X8 in it, and it does not have a power supply, and it actually runs off of the larger case. So this mooches off of this. So we have an amps and DC voltage meter, and then the USB actually says what the output voltage of the XT60 is. This came out spectacular. We're really happy with this. So let's go ahead and look at the inside. Going to be boxing this up and shipping it to the customer today. Rotorcraft RC, keeping your speed helis in charge. So when the customer recommended